I don't know how to use iTools on my EPC3000 to configure passcodes.
Did someone say EPC3000?
Who's that?
That's Dr. Bob. He knows anything and everything about temperature controllers.
Do I have a remedy for you?
In configuration mode, the security folder within the instrument folder enables you to alter passcodes. To toggle between the configuration and run modes, click the Access button. Note that the EPC3000 cannot perform process control while in the configuration mode. Click Yes when prompted with the warning that pops up. Expand the instrument folder. Expand the security folder. Double-click the parameter you need to alter. In the New Value field, enter your choice for the passcode value. Click Apply, then OK. For more information on the function of a parameter, right-click the parameter and click Help. Thanks for watching. Check out our processcontrol.tv website for more EPC3000 tutorials.